Hello guys, good afternoon. Today my topic is what is the GMC? आप लोगों ने सुना होगा GMC. Maximum people only listen the GMC. Doesn't know full form. GMC होता क्या है? GMC, जनरल मोटर इंश्योरेंस, जनरल मोटर कंपनी, राइट. ये इंश्योरेंस से रिलेटेड भी हो सकता है, या ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस से रिलेटेड भी हो सकता है, किसी से भी. बट full form is stand GMC stand by general motor company, like a XUV trucks and premium utility vehicle popular and models, यानी GMC Yukon XUV GMC Serara pickups, right? GMC Harmer trucks, GMC medical and counseling, maintaining the medical standard, and licensed doctor, GMC business office, medical, government medical, and common in India, refund to government, return to government, and run the medical college, right? GMC maximum more taken the more corporate companies, because having the more employees, right? uh, more employee. And XUV yeah, vehicle insurance, car insurance, right? Vehicle, simple in the understanding, banking in the background. GMC maximum, you listen, maximum employees, the GMC banking employee, your financial sector, GMC, gross and the margin and the contribution, gross margin and the contribution, profit, and where you hear it, the GMC and bank and the car medical, meeting, and the GMC insurance, GMC is the insurance, the group medical insurance, the group medical coverage, and group medical policies, companies policies, health insurance given by a company, employees to employees, right? Easy and the explanation, when you work in a company, yeah, any organization, like a bank, like a financial sector, like a corporate sector, and company take GMC policy. Company takes and one insurance policy and coverage the all employees, right? Coverage the all employees. That is the called and the GMC, right? What is the GMC? Insurance and the cover hospital expenses, like room and doctor's bill and ICU and surgery and treatment, cost, pre and post hospitalization, हॉस्पिटल से पहले का बिल 30 days, एंड आफ्टर हॉस्पिटल discharge 60 days, pre and post, right? Daycare facilities available, also daycare facilities available. Daycare and the treatment in the like a dialysis and chemo, in the sometime, and the family, in the wife and kids and parents is the cover in the GMC policies insurance, because company is given family security, right? Like a safety shield for the medical and expenses, key and future, right? Premium paid by company, and no medical checkup and no medical test, and given easily can claim process. Pre-exiting message is covered, right? Coverage start first day when you join in the any organization and corporate sector. Coverage is the first day, immediately after the joining. तो गाइज, ये मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम कॉर्पोरेट एंड जैसे लाइक ए प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एंड लिमिटेड एंड पार्टनर, वैसे मैक्सिमम कंपनी पार्टनरशिप में भी हो सकते हैं, एंड लिमिटेड कंपनीज एंड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनीज, एंड मैक्सिमम मतलब मोर देन 15 and 20 and 10 employee, more than maximum employee. So if some owner take care the employees, so then you can take and GMC insurance, one taken in the one insurance, and coverage is the all employee and employee family and spouse and kids, everything, right? It's important point, right? Very important for you, बहुत important है भाई. Always keep in the person the health insurance is also, please. अब साथ साथ में GMC के साथ साथ आप अपना पर्सनल इंश्योरेंस भी, हेल्थ पॉलिसी इंपॉर्टेंट है लेना भाई. GMC varies to GPA. GMC the group medical insurance, group medical insurance, yeah, group medical company, right? GPA group personal accident, group GMC coverage is the illness and the hospital, and GMC coverage accident, death and disability, permanent disability, right? GMC insurance company provided the medical and the insurance for all bills and employees. And how to check your GMC coverage, just but strategy and GMC and personal and the insurance. Guys, ये GMC मैंने भी बहुत जगह सुना था, बट मैं जानता था, बट एटलीस्ट होना चाहिए, शुड बी समथिंग नॉलेज. इफ यू टेकन इन द एनी एम्प्लॉय नेम टेकन इन द नेम, प्लीज आप इस वीडियो को देखिए और लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, प्लस ऐसे फॉरवर्ड भी करिएगा. थैंक यू गाइस. ओके.